Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel, Unyistitches. If this is the first time of you seeing me, you are welcome to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. In this channel, we upload sewing tutorial, pattern drafting, sewing tips, sewing tricks, and sewing techniques. So in today's tutorial, I want to learn how to cut and sew a wrap circle skirt. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the tutorial. This is the material that I'm using, and the only measurement you need is your waist measurement and the full length of the skirt. In this project, I want to make use of half circle skirt. The fabric I'm using is 2 meters. So to cut my half circle skirt, I'm going to fold my fabric this way. Well, first of all, fold it into 2. I don't know if you can see it. This way, can you see? And then I will place it, then fold it diagonally. I have a detailed video on how to cut your half circle. So I've gone ahead to fold it diagonally. I just clip it down so that it doesn't slip. Can you see? Can you see how I said you should fold it diagonally? So this is for 1, 2. This way is on 4. So that is 4. So to find the radius of a half circle skirt, the formula is circumference divided by pi. So pi is 22 divided by 7, which is, when you convert it to decimal, that will be 3.14. So to find the radius, you divide your waist circumference, which is the circumference, that is your waist, by 3.14. So in this case, since we are making a wrap skirt, you should multiply your waist measurement by 1.5. The one I'm working with is 35 inches. When I multiply my 35 inches by 1.5, that gives me 52.5. So for me to find now the radius, which is the arc for my skirt, I'm going to divide this, my 52, by 3.14, which is 16.7. But I will just take 16 inches. So in this case, mine is 16 inches. So I will mark, starting from the tip of my fabric after folding, I will mark 16. Can you see? I'm going to mark the 16 all around. I'll go ahead and blend the lines. Can you see? So that will be my waist circumference. So now the next thing will be for me to mark the full length of my skirt. This skirt, I need a full length of 26 inches. So I will have a band of 2 inches. So I will go ahead now and cut 24 inches plus my folding allowance. I'm going to cut 25 inches. So for me to start from the tip of my clothes to measure to have accuracy, I'm going to add my 16. This is this one plus 25. I will mark the 41 all around. So now I'll go ahead and cut the fabric. So the next thing now will be for me to go ahead and cut a band for my skirt. So I've cut the band already and I've interfaced my band. I needed a band of 2 inches, and this is 2 inches. I cut 5 inches, half inch for the joining of this other side and half inch for the joining of this other side. So when I fold it this way, I will end up having 2 inches. And the length of my band is my waist measurement times 3. That one is basically your preference. You can make it times 2 or times 2.5. It depends on how long you want the band to be. I'll go ahead and attach my band to the skirt. I'll do so by folding the band into two, and I will notch the center, and I will fold my skirt as well, and I will notch the center. Then I will match the center of my skirt to the center of my band. Then I will sew it to this other end and also to the other end. So I've attached my waistband. So now let's shape the skirt. I'm going to fold it this way. That is, I'm going to fold it into two. Can you see? This is how I'm going to fold it. So I will turn it this way. So I folded it into two, as I said. Can you see? This is my skirt. So what I will do now will be for me to shape these two parts of the skirt. So I will measure 8 inches up from my hemline. This is all your preference. You can decide to measure more than that, or you can decide to measure less than that. Then I'm going to connect it this way. Then I'm going to cut it off. Can you see? So now I will open up my skirt. So this is the down part of the skirt. So what I will do next will be for me to go ahead and hem the down part. Go ahead and hem this way. So I've gone ahead to hem the down part, as I said earlier. So this is the final outcome of our beautiful wrap skirt. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? So this is the second way you can style your wrap skirt. Can you see? You tie it to the side, and then the style comes to the side. So tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite. So thank you so much guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, share our video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notification bell so that when once I upload new sewing tutorial, you'll be first to be notified. See you on our next video. Bye bye.